Hello fellow watchers, it is me. You join me at Namchung for something quite special happening to the MTR today. I'll let voiceover explain. So, for only the 1st of February, when I record this video, the Tuen Ma Line was split in two, being divided at Hung Hom Station due to track maintenance work. Notices across each station in the Tuen Ma Line have been posted for commuters to be prepared for this inconvenience. Also, this split kind of rebirthed a bit of a nostalgia trip, showing a homage of the good old West Rail line when it used to run only to Hung Hom, and you can technically get away with saying the Ma and Shan line was back, except it has been fully extended to Hung Hom. I don't know, that's a bit of a stretch because that never really happened, but hey oh, it was quite an interesting time for the Tuen Ma Line for sure. Now, back to me. So now I'm waiting for the train in Namchung. My journey for today just happens for me to require to split at Hung Hom Station, so it's a little bit of a coincidence I'm doing this, but hey, it's cool. So we're currently at Hung Hom Station, and right now it's quite messy. It's very busy here. In order to make your journey through the Tuen Ma Line, you need to change platforms. So platform 3 is the Tuen Man, platform 2 is Wukasha. There's also press here, which is also quite funny. Now I would linger around here for a bit longer, but I do have places to be, and right now everyone's getting off. So yeah, I just got off the train at Homanton Station, and yeah, that was a whole debacle with the Tuen Ma Line being split in Hung Hom. I'm in the lift now. Yeah, a lot of people were quite confused at first, of course, but there was a lot of MTR staff to guide commuters, and yeah, it was a little messy for some people, but it's only for today, so hopefully the trains are more reliable after the modification work. I don't know if it'll make a difference, but hey, it's cool, I guess. But now, I am gonna continue my journey. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all fellow watchers next time. That is not my bus. Bye. So this would have been the end of the video. However, whilst I was editing this and procrastinating and doing work and doing everything else, the Tuen Ma Line is going to be split again on the 8th of March. So if you are in Hong Kong and you want to experience the weird phenomenon of the Tuen Ma Line being split, again due to track maintenance work, you can. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all fellow watchers next time. Goodbye!